I'm here on Hardin Street in Columbia, South Carolina by the 5 Points area, and this is kind of like the main drag of bars and restaurants for the University of South Carolina. Now, there's all kinds of joints here, just like any college town, but I'm here to see one place in particular, and that's Pauly's Front Porch, because I hear these cats are doing out-of-bounds burgers.
3 burgers all day?
It's as fresh as it gets. When it comes down to it, we come for the beef.
Let's grind some burgers and see how this thing whole starts here at Pauly's.
I get the whole chuck, certified Angus beef, trim off the fat.
Right.
Cut it in strips.
So it'll feed nicely into the chute.
Yep, season it with roasted garlic, pepper.
Season it now, so as it grinds, it continues to blend it through.
Yep, sea salt. And then some Worcestershire. Everybody likes Worcestershire on their hamburgers, so.
Why not? We'll do some mix.
Yeah, so there we go.
You grind the meat every time you make it?
Yep, I grind it through twice.
Can't beat that. If you're gonna do a burger, cut it up yourself and grind it. This is gonna give you the greatest taste. So now we take this, form them by hand?
Yep.
What size patties you make?
8 ounce.
Pretty good at this?
Oh, yeah. In the vet?
Okay, looks like you were at 9. Let me just jump in here.
Oh, look at that. That's nice. Right on the money.
I think that worked.
So then put it in here.
Look at that.
And flatten it out.
So the burgers are done now. We let them rest up for 24 hours, and then the burger we're gonna make with this is gonna be
Frip Island burger.
And this baby is loaded with all kinds of fixings.
Fried green tomato,
With the horse and cheese.
southern salsa.
Really has a great taste to it.
Southern salsa goes on the Frip Island burger. So red cow peas. Soak them overnight with salt and bay leaves.
give them a little boil in the morning.
Yep.
Boil.
Pineapple, diced jalapeno, sweet onion, and red onion, some scallions, tomatoes. So then
Diced peppers.
So everybody in, and then what are we gonna bind this with?
champagne vinaigrette, champagne vinegar, garlic, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, fresh thyme, fresh oregano, fresh marjoram, fresh basil, whole eggs. I'm using an emulsion blender. Slowly pour olive oil and canola oil into the dressing.
Here we go. Beautiful color. And a nice mix, too. It's not just all bean with some other veggies in there. You guys did it up.
Then salt, white pepper. Let it sit up for a day or so.
All right, what are we into now?
Fried green tomato, dipped in seasoned flour, then it dipped in egg wash, then dipped in seasoned panko.
Let them set up.
Yeah, hamburger patty, put it on the grill.
Gonna wait till a little juice floats to the top, and then we'll flip it.
Yep, then warm it up on the flat top.
Dig it.
And I'm gonna get a little of this Boursin cheese.
That's a commercially made cheese, and this is your rendition of it, right?
Yeah.
And what's in this?
5 different types of cheese. There's cream cheese, pepper jack, Parmesan blue cheese, and goat cheese.
That's where the tang is coming from. I did actually taste it ahead of time, you know, just for scientific purposes. Green tomatoes ready?
Yep.
So the burger's done.
And then,
Look at this.
you don't have to steam it that much, but.
That cheese is so soft and that burger's so hot.
So, the bun, the pretzel bun. I'm gonna put a little of this southern salsa on the bottom.
8 ounces of burger that you grind yourself. The fried green tomato, and
Stab it.
you're gonna go a little Jason on us. As big as my head. The fried green tomato fits in there perfectly. A little bit of that bitterness of the tomato and a great crunch from the panko.
Yeah.
That cheese is out of bounds. Look how it's melted. It's got the sweetness, creaminess, little spinach inside of it. The bean salad is great, and the pretzel bun, that's just the icing. That's a great burger.
Thank you.
Spicy, tangy, southwestern taste is to die for.
The Frip burger.
I love the fried green tomato. Really great taste to it.
I love the Frip, maybe my new favorite.
Really?
Frip. You can never get bored with a burger because you've got a new one to try.
I'm on the west side of Mobile, Alabama to check out a barbecue joint. And I know what you're thinking, barbecue joint, aren't there hundreds of them? Well, on Triple D, it's all about the food, the character, and the story. And the character and story in this are big. 10 years ago, this guy fires up this barbecue joint, never been in the restaurant business before, just does things his way. Unfortunately, he passes away. Well, wife takes over the front of the house, daughter becomes the head cook. Well, if you're hungry, this is Meat Boss.
I need a Boss Burger.
Love the Boss Burger. You got your rib candy, cheese. I didn't know you could make ribs better, but you can if you make them into candy.
It's one of my favorites.
Okay, what are we into, sister?
Our Boss Burger. We grind our own brisket.
You know you can buy commercial ones.
Yeah, but this works.
Okay, I'm gonna make you a little deal.
Okay.
Okay? I will guarantee that after people get to see this place,
Yeah.
that thing is gonna be a hood ornament.
Okay. We're gonna make the rub first. Salt.
Granulated garlic, black pepper, and granulated onion.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
We're going to grind our brisket with a hand crank.
How many burgers do you sell a day?
50.
Okay, we're almost to 1 burger. Now we got the chuck, the 80-20.
We're gonna add Worcestershire, liquid smoke, and burger seasoning. We're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna form up the burgers. Another homemade thing. So we're gonna press it, and then that's what we put on the,
Am I getting punked? Is Ashton Kutcher coming through here?
if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
What is this?
Oh, that's where we hang our bags. See, we use clips, so we hang our bags. They stack them in the window here, because everything's made to order. So you see, they pick their meat, they pick their bun.
People fill this out?
Yes.
This is also your dad's invention?
Yeah, that's actually original.
How many orders do we do a day?
My dad always says we did more than Chick-fil-A. So whatever Chick-fil-A did in a day, they did a little story on them. Whatever they did during the day, he was like, oh, we do that at lunchtime. And I'm like, all right. So.
Are you more like your mom or more like your dad?
My dad, for sure.
What else comes with this Crazy Town burger?
We're gonna be putting our rib candy on it.
Rib candy.
We'll start with seasoning salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, lemon pepper.
Season these up.
Yes, sir. After we season the ribs, we'll smoke them for 6 hours at about 280.
You're running that hot.
Mm-hmm. So plus or minus 20 degrees.
Okay. That's really hot in the world of barbecue.
Really?
Oh, yeah. I see a lot of running 220, 230.
Well, 220 is when it's, you know, really, really cold outside or the wood's wet.
What is cold in Mobile?
For me,
50.
73, but for normal.
It is a I'm not
people.
kidding, it's a non-stop show in here.
It gets really cold.
Oh, you're so priceless. So this is a stick burner back here?
Yes, wood
Okay.
only.
That is the most difficult way to run it. It's been on fire before.
3 times in 10 years, I feel like that's pretty good.
Look at the size of this. Where's the firebox?
On the other side. Can I show you that?
Please.
Yeah.
Oh, this should be even better. What you got there?
Well, we used to use hair dryers, and they all kept melting.
So now what you got?
Well, one of our guys was like, hey, I got this thing at the house. It might work better.
Is that a fireplace insert that I see?
It is. Cast iron. It works.
This is, without question, the craziest smoker I've seen on Triple D.
Oh, thank you. We're gonna make our sauce now.
Barbecue sauce.
Right, our sweet sauce. Tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke,
A lot of brown sugar,
water, salt, chili powder, black pepper,
onion, garlic.
curry powder, and then to the sweet sauce, we add the cayenne.
Cayenne added to it is the sweet
Sweet and
spicy.
spicy. That's gonna cook for 30-ish minutes. And then vinegar added to sweet and spicy. It's a spicy Carolina.
Okay, ribs are done, sauce is ready. What do we have left to make?
The rib candy. We're gonna cut all the meat off the bones,
So honey, brown sugar, and
Right.
sweet sauce.
and then we just mix it up.
And are we gonna cook this again?
Right, 350 for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And now we're gonna make our boss burger. We'll grill our burger, toast the bun. This is the spicy Carolina sauce. This goes down this way. Cheddar cheese, topped with rib candy, of course. And then we always put more spicy Carolina sauce on the bottom and on top. And this is our boss burger.
The burger is really good. The sauce is great. I'm getting good smoke off the ribs. I thought it was too much sauce because it's only sauce, burger, and rib. A little bit of cheese, but there's so much flavor in it. And you never see rib meat by itself.
Right.
I get after this thing.
Boss burger in the window.
I love the rib candy. It is so juicy, tender, just smoky enough and not too smoky.
With a little bit of sweet twist. Scrumptious.
That's something we hear on Triple D a lot, scrumptious meat.
So I'm here in Palm Desert, California, just about 20 minutes from Palm Springs. I'm here to check out a joint where a family of 4 is serving up some classic and not so classic burgers. This is Brill Burger.
5 more minutes on the Buddha burgers.
Where are we at?
We're gonna make the Buddha burger.
It's a turkey burger. It has different textures to it and different spices. Cumin, curry, it's delicious.
So we're starting off with ground turkey.
Yeah. Salt and pepper, curry powder, some cumin.
This has a little bit of an Indian flair, I'm taking it.
Kind of zen.
Kind of zen.
Yeah, it'll make you feel good. Soy sauce, chopped garlic. We got fresh ginger, garlic chili sauce, chopped red peppers, cilantro, green onion.
Then we'll let this marinate together.
Yeah, we're gonna squeeze it all up, make it nice and together.
We're gonna squeeze it up, make it nice all together. So let's patty it up to get it on flat top.
All right. We're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. We're gonna take the slightly toasted sesame seed bun and spread sweet chili mayo on it. All right.
Okay.
Then we're gonna top it with the Napa cabbage, slice of tomato,
Uh-huh.
and then we'll do the burger.
There we go. There we go.
It's some bean sprouts, fresh red pepper, and some sprigs of cilantro. There you go.
That's a gorgeous looking burger.
It is good.
I get burned out on just the same burger. This right here is a complete departure from it. It's built like a burger, but that's about the end of it. The rest of it is turning into this Mediterranean flavor-based, not overdone, like if someone says, well, I don't like curry, it's just too much. You just got a nice hint of it. The Napa cabbage and the bean sprout make everything come together. Great burger, not dried out. Turkey's easy to dry out.
Yeah.
That is a delicious, spot-on burger. Well done.
All right, the Buddha burger.
You don't see too many burgers that have curry on it, but I just love it.
It's a really good turkey burger, and I don't always eat turkey burgers.
It's in a pickle.
Wait a minute, we've been in a pickle half our lives.
I know, but that's the name of the joint. Breakfast and lunch in a pickle.
I'm hungry.
Toro Loco burger. Toro Loco burger is amazing. Fried cheese and onion rings on top is out of this world.
So what are we gonna make?
The Toro Loco burger. So we're gonna slice down this pepper jack cheese. I do about a 1/4-inch slice.
It's about a half, but
I
okay,
was just
sure.
gonna say. So we're going seasoned flour, egg wash.
Seasoned breadcrumbs into the fryer.
So next up, we're gonna do onions, and they're coated in
Fiery hot cheese snacks. Blend these down.
Bam. No.
That's emerald. I'm calling
Watch
emerald.
this. Boom.
There you go. So we're gonna add it to the AP flour. Put these in here now, the egg wash, and then we're gonna put it back into the flour.
Doubling down.
And then we're gonna fry them.
Come on.
We're gonna make a roasted jalapeno aioli. It's not really an aioli, but it sounds fancier.
Yeah.
Sour cream, roasted jalapeno, buttermilk, mayonnaise.
There's your aioli factor.
Garlic powder, little onion powder, dill weed, salt, chives, black pepper.
Hot sauce. Are we finally ready to build the burger? He's got sound check coming up.
We are ready to go. Pepper arugula down, sriracha aioli. First burger.
The jalapeno sour cream aioli.
That's it.
2 patties. My
Put
goodness
the fried
gracious.
cheese on there.
More sauce. That's great.
Crispy onion straws.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, you're getting the hunch, Sammy. You got this.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting ready.
You got back, Hal. I'm down with the crunchy onion rings.
Sammy's got it. The onion rings are fantastic. The burgers cook perfectly. The arugula works as a nice little barrier.
The burger's good, man. I'm with you, but there's a lot going on.
My favorite of it really is that jalapeno sour cream mock aioli. The cheese is great. Well done.
The Toro Loco burger.
Spicy and fiery and fantastic.
It's very cheesy and flavorful.
So I'm here in the center of it all, right downtown in Colorado Springs, Colorado, to check out a funky burger joint. That was back in 2015. And thankfully, the menu is still as funky as the name. This is the Skirted Heifer.
Extra patty classics coming back to you guys.
Sometimes you just want to go straight for the classic, though.
Your classic skirted heifer.
The classic is a staple of the skirted heifer. A handful of shredded Wisconsin cheddar, just caramelized cheese that rolls off your burger.
2 skirts going down.
This skirt around the burger. How did you learn about it?
By watching your show.
There you go. What'd you bring me?
This is our classic skirted heifer.
This is the one that started it.
The burger that put us on the map. We use my grandma's old pizza dough recipe to make our focaccia buns. Double grade Caputo flour from Italy. Yeast, salt, sugar. Let the dry ingredients get all fully incorporated. We're gonna add our water now. Turn that back on. Olive oil and eggs. Take about 15 minutes getting really nice and blended. Cut off a nice little chunk. Make them into nice round buns and let them start proofing to the right shape overnight. We're gonna dimple them. In-house roasted garlic, focaccia salt, egg wash, olive oil. Bake it at 450 degrees for 7 minutes, and then we are gonna flip and rotate for another 7 minutes.
The focaccia, it's very hearty and it's got great chew. It's got great texture, but it's light, so you get to appreciate the burger. Is it still the grass-fed, grass-finished beef?
Absolutely. Add our focaccia salt, douse it with cheddar cheese. We're gonna skirt that heifer and go right for it. Lettuce, red onions, pickles on here, tomatoes, our homemade heifer sauce. Start with our mayo, homemade ketchup, pickle juice, seasoning salt.
That's doing it right. I mean, that's a 10 out of 10.
Right on. Flipping the classic, cheese in the skirts.
They have the freshest beef, skirt it with cheddar cheese. You get nice goopy, kind of crispy cheese. It's really awesome.
The Heifer sauce is creamy, but it has this tangy flavor. It just pairs well with the meat and the cheese.
The homemade focaccia bun is so good. Classic Italian bread with garlic and herbs. You can't go wrong with it.